We are gathered here today to unite this man and this woman in the bonds of matrimony. You, Sarah, take Michael to be your best friend, your faithful partner, and your one true love. Do you promise to encourage him, to inspire him, and to love him truly through good times and bad? Will you forever be there to laugh with him, lift him up when he is down, and to love him unconditionally through all your ventures in life together?
I do.
You, Michael, take Sarah to be your best friend, your faithful partner, and your one true love? Do you promise to encourage her, to inspire her, and to love her truly through good times and bad? Will you forever be there to laugh with her, lift her up when she is down, and to love her unconditionally through all your ventures in life together?
I do. With this ring I thee wed, as a token of everlasting love.
With this ring I thee wed, as a token of everlasting love.
For a happy family, for a house filled with laughter, let's have fun forever after. Keep that bedside door filled with sweets, and give our children lots of sweets. Make sure you spend time together to keep our happiness forever.
With the exchanging of the vows, and the giving, and the receiving of the rings, I cannot pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce you Mr. and Mrs. Cunningham.
So Sarah, being your mum is for me all about sharing every moment, not for just one moment. So I want to thank you for the honour of sharing this wonderful moment today, walking you down the aisle to marry Michael.
But thanks for everything you do for me and the kids. There really isn't anyone else like you in the world. You're beautiful, you're caring, you're kind, you're loyal, you're a great mother, you're a great friend. You really are one of the most hard-working people I know. I want you to know that I love you lots and lots, and you really have made me the happiest man alive.